Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna.
Hare Krishna. Dear devotees, friends and well-wishers, this is a brief update on the temple construction here at ISKCON Salem.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare Rama.
Work is going on all over the 4.5 acres of land.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare.
The ground floor is almost ready, with 20 beautiful Krishna Leelas carved in black marble already displayed, which leave us behind with just small portion backside of the shikhar to be erected.
Hare Rama. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare. Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Krishna, Hare Hare. Hare Rama, Rama. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare. Hare Rama, Hare.
Next phase of the work will be carving of 28 stone pillars, which will be placed at the main temple room at the first floor. And after that we'll continue rising of shikhar for another 80 feet up in the sky.
Hare Rama, Hare Krishna, Krishna.
Another attractive feature of the temple will be a display of 28 gopis, also carved in the black marble, representing primary and secondary rasas in relation to Krishna. Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama. At the right side of the temple, you can see our 100-room guest house construction in progress.
Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Rama, Hare Rama. Hare
2 stone yalis decorate the entrance gate of the ISKCON Youth Building Hall, which can accommodate around 500 people at a time.
Rama Rama Hare Hare
200 feet of the corridor, which will display the Srimad Bhagavatam diagrams, also carved in stone, is ready, leaving us behind with 300 feet more to go.
Hare Krishna 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 Hare
Here you can see the stone walls of our temple firewood kitchen for daily prasadam distribution. And on top of that, we'll have prasadam hall to accommodate around 700 people at a time.
Krishna Krishna Hare 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 Ram
So far, by your kind cooperation, this much has been accomplished, and we count on your full support to complete this project for the pleasure of Guru Maharaj and Srila Prabhupada. Thank you very much. Hare Krishna.
Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama Hare Rama Rama